I've often said it that you have some people, they are very talented, and you would have seen some videos circulating on social media with people doing different types of thing with their talent. Now, this individual now in question has made a cart with actually an engine that can drive such as a car. Now, this video I believe needs to be shared with the public, and I'm gonna be sharing this video with you because I believe that this individual is a very talented individual. Much respect to the person as well that actually captured this video. And we're about now to share this video on Links 007 TV. So let's go over to that right now.
You know, the last time I come down here, I see that youth here work on the car here. Big man thing. And me I said, John, what about put an engine on a bike? But you are the first me see a man install an engine like this. Watch it. The man put on all the muffler bridging. Watch it. No, them youth are not normal. Them youth are for their German school I learn some real mechanics and engineer. Yeah man, so what's your name, brother?
Shamar, name,
Shamar. Murder. Hear that? Murder. Yeah. See it there? No family tree, that youth, a Grammy youth. Man, I'll show me what machine can do, you see it? Yeah man, so what you do? Drive good south of road out of wholesale and them place there. What you do? Somebody won. You bill it to someone. Alright, here that man, I bill one for you too if you're interested, here. Alright, see it there? Just put in a gear and see what I go on with number done. Can't pass this up. You're a big driver man, you must can go through this man. Move on bicycle now. Where? See it there? No, that youth are real youth, may I tell you that. Yeah, no, Jamaica full of talent, I tell you people. Nah, lie. You they deserve a Grammy. And they even turn and come up at the road. I'm gone so far. Man, and a mall, I said him gone, you know.
Well, there you have it. That was the video of this individual who made a cart with an engine. It just goes to show you that people out there in the world, they are very talented, and most of the time their talent is not highlighted based on the fact they are located in certain area. And if people do not put it out there, you would not know that people out there are doing some marvelous and miraculous things with their craft. Much respect to this person that built this thing. I don't know your name, but you're doing good, my brother, and just continue to tread on this path, and just continue to do whatever you're doing with that thing or your cart. And I can tell you that I just feel so happy watching that video, and even the person that recorded it, you could just see the joy that he felt while recording the video. But I know that many people out there, they're very talented, and this is just one in many who have created some real thing that it has left you in a trance as it relates to how could they have done this. But he's very talented, and I must say big respect to him for actually sharing this video with the public as well, and letting Links 007 TV able to share it with the world. So I just want to say that whenever you have such talent, you really need to put it to use. And many people out there, their talent are being stifled based on the fact that they don't have the resources at times in order to carry out what they want to do. But don't give up. Just press on, and even when you feel as if you want to give up, always just maintain that composure and just give yourself some time and space, and just contemplate about the whole situation and just take it one step at a time. So just tell me in the comment section though how you feel about this video, and just let me know. I look forward to hear your response. Have a blessed and productive day from Links TV. Peace out. Bless.